This Pioneer ND-PS1 parking sensor kit adds a very helpful layer of protection when reversing, especially in tight urban spaces or crowded driveways. Once paired with the compatible Pioneer SPH dash unit and smartphone app, it shows clear on-screen distance readouts while also giving audible warnings as you approach obstacles. The 4 included ultrasonic sensors provide broad rear coverage and can pick up objects from roughly 1/3 of 1 meter out to around 2 1/2 meters, which feels accurate in everyday use. Directional alerts make it easier to judge exactly where an obstruction is, reducing guesswork and helping you park more confidently. The hardware feels solid and weather-ready, with an outdoor rating that inspires confidence for long-term mounting on the rear bumper. Although professional installation is wise for a clean and reliable setup, the kit itself is thoughtfully designed to integrate neatly with compatible Pioneer systems.